For all of you who don't actually wear the retainers or the night guards that your dentist or orthodontist gave you, I bet I can guess exactly why. One, you don't like the maintenance of having to brush them every single time you wear them, right? It's just an extra step in your morning routine, just not worth the hassle. And then because you don't brush them, the second reason you don't wear them is they get all funky and weird, right? So I am so grateful that someone told me, especially when I first got my night guard, to make sure to be cleaning it, not by hand, but with a little like retainer cleaner machine and using cleaner tablets. It makes it so simple. My night guard has stayed perfectly clean forever, right? It doesn't have that weird funky taste. There's no residue on it. It's just exactly the same as the first day I got it. It's so simple to use. So this one is really, really tiny. It's perfect for travel because it's so little. So you can just take it with you when you're packing. It doesn't need to be plugged in. And this one happens to come with like a little pair of tweezers if you don't want to reach into the water and like actually grab your appliance. I don't tend to use these. It also comes with a scrubber brush. So if you are starting with a dirtier retainer braces, like type situation going on and you want to scrub it, you could use this. I've never bothered using it because I started with one of these things right away. So all you're going to do is you're going to pop the lid open, go ahead and pour your water in, making sure not to do over the max fill line. Put your night guard, retainers, dentures, whatever it is that you wear in here. And you can also use this for jewelry too if you want to, because it is a UV ultrasonic cleaner. And then if you have some of like retainer cleaning tablets, you're just gonna open up one of these tablets, pop it in, and it's recommended to use like some lukewarm to warm water if you're using a cleaning tablet like this. And then you're just gonna let it fizz, close the lid, and press your power button. The numbers come on and then just get started. I can hear a tiny little hum, so it's pretty quiet overall. Now this unit gives you 3 options. There's a 5-minute for like an everyday cleaning, there's 8 minutes for something a little bit stronger, and then there's a 10-minute if you really need to do like a true deep clean. So all I have to do is let it sit in here, run for 5 minutes, get on with your day, and then at nighttime when you're done, you'll come back, the machine will turn off, you'll pop it open, take out your appliance, rinse it under some water, and you're good to go. Honestly, using cleaning tablets and a little cleaning machine like this has made the whole retainer night guard situation so much easier to deal with, and I guarantee if you keep it clean, there's such a higher likelihood you're actually gonna wear it more regularly and keep your smile looking the way that you actually want it to look. So I can't recommend enough having a little system like this. It's so easy to use and just makes the whole process way easier.